Alright, so I got another Skoll here, Flynoceros Skoll V2. Badass frame. I love these frames. They're just so awesome. So nice. I talked them up enough in the other Skoll video, so if you haven't seen it, check it out. This is the second one I've done recently. Somebody loves them, besides me. I didn't use all the same parts as the last one though. I used some of the same parts. Like for example, I used the same motors, but I don't know if it's the same KV because I don't remember what I used. These are the T-Motor F40 Pro 3s, and I know they have like a 2400, 2500, 2600. I think they have a 2750 too. But these are the 2600s. I think 2600s just right for getting that nice top end and still not sucking your battery dry in a minute. Yeah, really nice motors. These are the Hurricane props too. I love these props. Super smooth. Same 4-in-1, the T-Motor F45. Different flight controller though. This is actually the Maytech F722 SE. Very nice flight controller. And so far it's working great. It's got tons of UARTs. It has a barometer, a current sensor. It's an all-in-one, so it's got the PDB built in if you want to run single ESCs. Pretty nice flight controller. Same VTX as last time, the Mach 3. Race Day Quads, Mach 3. Different camera. This one is the Runcam Night Eagle Pro 2. So I'm sure you can see this guy right here too. This is actually called the IR4X, I think. I don't remember. It's made by CJ Tech UK. You can check it out. It's an infrared light. It's pretty heavy and pretty expensive, but it's awesome. And you'll see that here when I show you. Probably go in this closet right here, and 'cause that's the only dark spot right now. It's the middle of the day, so it's pretty cool though. In complete pitch black, you can see totally fine enough to fly, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, this is a full-size cam though. I wasn't sure how the full-size cams were going to work on the Skoll, because usually it has these pieces that go in on the insides right here for a micro cam. And I seen this piece last time I built the Skoll and I didn't know what it was for, and now I see it goes across here, and then you just use the bracket that comes with the full-size camera, and that's how you mount it. But it's kind of weird. I mean, you can't get to the screws now to be able to change your angle, which I don't know what you're supposed to do. I guess put it at your favorite angle and then leave it, because you can't get to those screws, so kind of sucks. But and then another thing too is it wiggles a little bit. So you see that? It's got a little bit of wiggle. And it's because right here where it notches into the side plate, there's a little bit of space there. So I'm probably gonna I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe wedge something in there, maybe a little piece of carbon fiber or something, or super glue it or something. I don't know. But yeah, you don't want that wiggling. And then Crossfire Nano, same thing I used on the last one. And Lollipop V2. Yeah, that's about it. This thing flies amazing. It is just super locked in. I don't know if it's the flight controller or the combination of the motors and props and flight controller and 4-in-1. It's just amazing. It flies so good. I don't always say that either, so it's flying amazing when I say it is. All right. I put some Uma Grip on here as well. Funny story about Uma Grip. Recently, actually yesterday, I went to fly my Xeno 3-inch. It was the first time ever flying it because I just built it. I crashed into a tree about 50 feet up, and I lost video the second that I crashed. And I was like, how the hell did that happen? And obviously, the only way that could happen is if the battery got ejected. So I'm sitting here wondering, I had Uma Grip on it, and I don't understand how the battery could have been ripped out with the Uma Grip and a battery strap, because I mean, look at this. I just put this UMA grip on here. You can lift this quad up with just the UMA grip. I mean, look at that. So that and the battery strap, how the hell did that get pulled out? I mean, that's insane. And the quad doesn't have no scratches on it or nothing. I mean, the props were all broken and shit, but I put new props on. But other than that, I mean, the frame didn't have a scratch on it. But yeah, I had this UMA grip and then a strap through holding it. I mean, I don't understand how it could have ripped it out. It's crazy. So it can happen even when you use UMA grip. If it wouldn't have slid out, I would have found my quad right away. Instead, I had to spend like 2 hours searching around everywhere around the neighborhood where I thought it went down, you know. And then I had like 3 neighbors helping me, getting on their roofs and looking around and all kinds of stuff. It ended up being just sitting there in the grass. I mean, they're so hard to find when they're in the grass. Perfect example of a time that I should have had, or wish I had, a Hellgate buzzer for sure. But anyway, you guys gotta check out how smooth this thing hovers. I mean, it's so locked in and smooth. It's crazy. I mean, look at that. Those props are so nice too. But let's see if we can't get my screen going here, and then we'll see how this works. Okay, is that the right channel? I guess so. So you can see it looks kind of, it's just black and white. Alright, we got a dark closet. So I'm going to try to hold this. Shit, how am I going to do this? Like that. Look at that. You can see perfect. And then if you look with the camera, it's pretty much pitch black. Well, not pitch black. Alright, I'm going to get in here and close the door with it. How about that? If I can fit. Come on. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Get in here. Alright, I gotta set this down. Close the door. Okay, now it's pitch black in here. Let me show you around. Okay, pitch black, right? You can't see nothing. Now let me show you the screen. Look at that. You can see perfect. Isn't that crazy? There's the lights from the light. I mean, they're not even bright or anything. I guess you're not supposed to look directly at it, but well, that was fun. All right, so that is just awesome. I mean, to be able to fly in pitch black is going to be pretty cool. Yeah, I think that's all I got. So there she be. Any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.